Tango 21, Mr Chippie, are you receiving?
Yes, Tango 21 receiving, that's fine, over.
Roger that. Well, that's probably the best we've had at this stage on this on a handheld.
You're struggling, did you say, over?
No, sir, I think that's the best we've had at this stage on a handheld here.
All right, well there you go. Yeah, that's absolutely fine. I was receiving you very well yesterday on the static test, so I'll see you at the next test point, over.
Yeah, roger that. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving?
Tango 21 receiving, that's fine. Can you just speak a bit more direct to the applicant for the microphone, please, over?
Where is it on this one?
It's a little dot to the left of the speaker, over.
Oh, roger, got you.
Okay, that's excellent.
Roger that, I'll move on to the next place.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving? Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving?
I'm receiving, go ahead, Mr Chippie.
Yeah, I'll say again, are you receiving? A lot of car noise.
Roger, I hear you got cars going past. I'm receiving you quite well, over.
Yeah, roger that, so I'll move on to the next place.
Roger, move on, that's the Kelby one. See you at the next, thank you.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving?
You that well. I'm going to stop you for a few seconds so that you can just position yourself for the best signal from me. So this is Tango 21, 12345, 54321, over.
Roger, Tango 21, are you receiving?
Tango 21, Mr Chippie, are you receiving, over?
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear.
Tango 21, Mr Chippie, are you receiving, over?
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear.
I'm just getting you moving the squelch there. So if you move on to the next point, over.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving? Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving?
E455431, over.
Yeah, Roger, I can hear you, Tango. I don't think you can hear me though.
Roger, I can hear you at that position, so I've got you at Rossby level crossing.
Okay, roger that. That's concludes the test then.
Are you, that does conclude the test. You're going shopping from that point, over.